Well, let's talk about, as this is coming across as a setback to the U.S. President Donald Trump. The appeals court has struck down multiple Trump tariffs, saying that he is overstepping his authority, as the federal appeals court has struck down Donald Trump's historic tariff, saying that he unlawfully leaned on emergency powers to impose the import taxes. The International Emergency Economic Powers Act, however, does not authorize tariffs like the one that Trump has used the law for, and the Federal Circuit says in an unsigned opinion upholding the lower court ruling against Trump's tariffs. The judges have noted that Trump's unprecedented tariffs as an overstep of his power, because the ability to impose taxes, include tariffs, is a core congressional power, and that the Constitution grants to the legislative branch. However, let's get in a word from Srinjoy now. Srinjoy, good morning. Can we actually call it a setback, because Donald Trump says he is ready to challenge, but the tariffs remain in place now after the court has delayed its implementation order until October this year?
It's clearly a moral defeat, if anything else. And there is also the worry, the concern that the Supreme Court could well support the lower court. If that happens, the edifice that Donald Trump has built his presidency on will just crumble. But we don't know what the Supreme Court will do. What we do know is that the Supreme Court in the United States is very right-leaning currently, and several of those 9 judges of the Supreme Court were appointed by the president himself. So we'll actually have to see how this turns out. But at this point, regardless of what happens in the future, it is a kind of moral defeat. Whether the president accepts this kind of moral defeat or not, we don't know, but it certainly looks like one.
All right, but these tariffs have given the Trump administration leverage to extract economic concessions from trading partners, but have also increased the volatility when we speak of the financial markets. However, Donald Trump has lamented the decision by what he's been calling it to be highly partisan, and has posted on Truth Social, says that if these tariffs ever went away, then it would be a total disaster for the country. Let's put that out as far as Donald Trump's post is now concerned on Truth Social. And here, if we can actually call it a moral setback for Donald Trump, because if it is ruled as illegal, all the tariffs are still in effect. Bold in caps, this is what Donald Trump has said in the first line. Today, a highly partisan appeals court incorrectly said that our tariffs should be removed, but they know that United States of America will win in the end. If these tariffs ever went away, it would be a total disaster for the country. It would make us financially weak, and we have to be strong. The U.S. will no longer tolerate enormous trade deficits and unfair tariffs and non-tariff trade barriers imposed by other countries, friends or foe, that undermine our manufacturers, farmers and everyone else. If allowed to stand this decision, that would literally destroy the United States of America. At the start of this Labor Day weekend, we should all remember that tariffs are the best tool to help our workers and support companies that produce great made in America products. For many years, tariffs were allowed to be used against us by our uncaring and unwise politicians. Now, with the help of the United States Supreme Court, we will use them to benefit our nation and make America rich, strong, powerful again. Thank you for your attention to this matter. So this seems, as far as Donald Trump is concerned, he says that in the end, they will win this fight. But as far as Donald Trump, who has been lamenting the decision on what he has been calling it as highly partisan, however, in the backdrop, we are also looking at the AG, who has also come out to support Donald Trump and his tariff call that has been made. Because Donald Trump, who is now hit back at the Federal Appeals Court ruling, striking down most of his tariffs and calling the judges to be highly partisan. Now the AG, Pamela Bondi, has also backed Donald Trump, saying that the tariffs that has been imposed are under national emergency, and the courts are rather interfering with the president's role. Let's put that out as far as the Attorney General is concerned. Pamela Bondi, she's of the opinion that Donald Trump found that there was national emergency and took action under the law by imposing tariffs. The judges of the Federal Circuit are interfering with the president's vital and constitutionally central role in foreign policy. This decision is wrong, and it undermines the United States on the world stage, as the Justice Department will appeal this decision and will continue to fight to restore the president's lawful authority. Well, now this is coming at a time, Srinjoy, because we've seen when it comes to Donald Trump and what he has been saying. But he says in the end they will win the fight. Exactly how much influence does he have on the Supreme Court itself? Because for now, when we speak of this court, which has called Donald Trump's tariff imposition as illegal, however, has given him time till the mid of October, a chance to file an appeal with the U.S. Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court is the Supreme Court. Those 9 individuals, those 9 judges will take that decision. Now, how they will decide, we do not know. But what we do know is that in recent times, it has been very conservative, very right-leaning. And we also know that the way America works, several of those judges were appointed by Trump himself. So we'll just have to see how the judiciary works. The judiciary is an independent organization, and it's up to the Supreme Court, those 9 members of the Supreme Court, to decide how they want to play this tariffs issue. Because they know that Trump desperately wants tariffs. He believes it's good for America. There are many people in America and of course all over the world who believes that it could lead to disaster. At the end of the day, it will be up to those 9 people.
All right. Well, Donald Trump nonetheless has predicted a reversal, saying that he expected tariffs to benefit the country with the help of the Supreme Court. Thank you very much for the moment, Srinjoy, for joining in. Now let's quickly get to the pictures that are coming in from Japan today.